Hey, if you're a homeowner here in Florida, you know your outdoor space is way more than just a backyard, right? It's really an extension of your home. We're talking about that dream pool cage, that perfect lanai. But how do you actually make that dream a reality without wiping out your savings? Okay, let's dive into this. We're gonna explore the smart ways to finance your perfect outdoor oasis. So right off the bat, let's just talk about the elephant in the room. You've pictured it, haven't you? No more bugs, a clean pool, and this perfect private space to just relax. And then you see the price tag. Oof. It's a really common hurdle, and it's probably the #1 thing that makes people hit the pause button. And look, you're absolutely right to feel that way. A high-quality screen enclosure is a significant home improvement project. There's no doubt about it. But here's the thing that most people don't realize. Most homeowners, they don't pay for it all at once. Financing is a really common and honestly smart way to get the space you want now. So in this explainer, we're gonna break down exactly how it all works. All right, we've got a clear path for you. First, we'll talk about why this is a smart investment, not just a cost. Then, we'll look at the 3 main financing routes you can take. We'll spend a little extra time on the advantages of contractor financing and show you how that process actually works. And finally, we'll get into why you might not want to wait to get started. Okay, first things first. Let's kind of shift our thinking. This isn't just another expense. It's truly an investment in your home and, your lifestyle. Just think about what you're really getting here. This is so much more than a screen. You're investing in crucial hurricane protection, which is an absolute must here in Florida. You are tangibly increasing your property's value. You're literally adding a whole new pest-free room to your home. And you're getting a durable, long-lasting structure that's going to serve your family for years and years to come. So you're ready to make that investment. What are your options? Well, there are generally 3 pretty well-trodden paths that homeowners take for a project like this. Let's map them out. So the 3 main routes are personal home improvement loans, tapping into your home's equity, and finally, financing that's offered directly through your contractor. Now, each one has its pros and cons, so let's just touch on each one really quick. First up, you've got your personal loan. This is probably the most straightforward option. You get a loan with a fixed rate and a set monthly payment, so you always know exactly what to expect. The big feature here is that it's unsecured, which is just a fancy way of saying your house isn't on the line as collateral. It's simple, it's often faster, but the interest rates might be a little bit higher. The second path is using the equity you've already built in your home. You can either get a one-time lump sum loan, or you can get a more flexible line of credit. You've probably heard it called a HELOC that you can draw from. Because the loan is secured by your house, you can often get a lower interest rate. The trade-off, of course, is that the application process can be a bit more involved, and your home is used as collateral. Okay, now let's look at that third path. For a lot of homeowners, this is the one that really streamlines the entire project from start to finish, and that's contractor financing. And this slide really shows you the key difference. With a typical bank loan, you're juggling separate applications, you're coordinating between the lender and the builder. It can lead to delays. But contractor financing, well, it integrates the money part directly into the project. It's one simple process, one point of contact, and way fewer headaches. Now, this is a super important point. You are not borrowing money from the contractor. They're just the facilitator. Your actual loan agreement is with a trusted national lender like Synchrony Bank, who specializes in this stuff. A little behind-the-scenes insight, contractors offer this because it just creates a seamless, easy experience for you, and it makes sure the project keeps moving without any financial hiccups. It's a total win-win. You get the security of a major bank with the convenience of one smooth process. So what does this streamlined process actually look like from your perspective? Let's walk through it. I promise it's designed to be simple and totally transparent. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you put down a standard deposit, just like you would for any big home improvement project. Second, the rest of the project cost, that remaining balance, is what gets financed through the lender. And third, the project gets built, and you get to start enjoying your brand new space right away. Simple as that. Now, within contractor financing, you usually have options that fit your financial style. Are you the type of person who wants to pay it off quickly and avoid interest altogether? An interest-free plan might be perfect. Or do you prefer a smaller, more manageable monthly payment spread out over a longer time? Then an extended term plan is probably the better fit. It's all about what works for your budget. The process itself is designed to be really homeowner-friendly. The application is usually just a simple digital form. Decisions often come back super quickly, and this is a big one. There are no hidden fees tacked onto your project just for using financing.
It's also flexible. If for some reason you aren't approved on the first go, you often have the option to reapply with a co-applicant.
So we've covered the what and the how. Now let's talk about the why. Why use financing to move forward with your project now, instead of putting it off? Honestly, financing makes the most sense when you're investing in something that is built to last. We're talking about heavy-duty materials and advanced engineering designed to stand up to our crazy Florida weather. With a typical lifespan of 15 years or even more, you'll be enjoying the benefits of your enclosure long, long after it's paid for. It's a true investment in lasting quality. I love this quote because it just perfectly reframes the whole conversation. This isn't about spending money you don't have. It's a strategic choice. It's about finding a payment structure that lets you improve your home and your quality of life right now without having to drain your savings account to do it. So really, the big takeaway is this. You can have that beautiful, value-adding, hurricane-rated outdoor living room you've been dreaming about. You can start enjoying it this season, all while keeping your hard-earned savings right where they belong, ready for whatever else life brings your way. So, if financing sounds like it could be the right path for your project, the first step is always just getting a clear picture of your specific needs and costs. We've put all the information you need to explore your options and get a free estimate right down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.